Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English class. Today I am going to teach you something new. So before starting, let's do one activity, right? What is this? I am having a pen, right? And this is a pencil. And when we say together, I have a pen and a pencil, right? I join these two words with and. Next, I have a blue color and a yellow color. Again, I used and to join these two words. Now, when we want to show opposite things, what we will use? I have one big color, but also a small color. I have big yellow but small orange. Clear? So the words topic is conjunctions. Our topic is conjunctions. Conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Words that join two words or sentences. Words that join two words or sentences are called conjunctions. Right? Now, what words are conjunctions? First is and. First is and. Second is or. Third is but. And the fourth one is because. So in class 3 you will learn 4 conjunctions. First is and, or, but, because. These are 4 conjunctions. Now the thing is this, where we use and, where we use or, where we use but, and where we use because. So for and, where we use and to join similar words or similar sentence. And is used to join similar words or sentences, right? For example, I have a pen and a pencil, right? I have a pen and a pencil. Now second is or. Which word I am taking? Or. Where we use or? We use or when choice is there. We use or when choice is there. So we use or to show a choice. We use or to show a choice. We use and to join similar words or sentences. For example, I have a pen and a pencil. We use or to show a choice. For example, should I eat a banana? Should I eat a banana or a pie? You have a choice. You have a choice between banana and pie. So either you can eat banana or a pie. So or we use or to show choice. Now the third is but. We use but to show difference. To show difference. Third is but, and we use but to show difference. For example, Shobha likes to sing. For example, I can take example like Athar. Athar likes to sing, but Ayan likes to dance, right? So to show difference, and we can use but to show opposites also, like small. I am tall, but she is small. I am tall, but she is short, right? So and or but. These are clear to you, I hope. Now the third is because. We use because to give reason. We use because to give reason. To give reason. Right? For example, he get wet. He get wet means वो गीला हो गया. Because why? Because he did not carry an umbrella. He did not carry an umbrella. उसने umbrella carry नहीं किया था. And teacher can ask, why are you late today? So you can tell, I am late because I missed my bus, right? So there are 4 conjunctions and or but. Because and we use to join similar words or sentences, or we use to show choice, but we use to show difference, and because we use to give reason. I hope you understand this. So watch the video carefully and clear your doubts. Okay, bye.